Dude, I hate working night shift. They got me cleaning up all this broken glass.
Made it to the Appalachian Mountains. So far, no skin.
Dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, no. Fuck that.
Blue.